Welcome to Eco Tutorial channel. Today, we are going to show you the procedures in doing Organic Hair Color 1 from Patrice Mulato. First, wash the hair with Patrice Mulato Repigmentant Shampoo. In this model, we use the shade Natural Ombre or Chocolate Brown. Patrice Mulato Repigmentant Shampoo keeps the color and adds shine to natural and colored hair. It contains 92% of ingredients of natural origin to basis of pigment and fruit extracts. Next, transfer the Patrice Mulato Color 1 hair color into bowl. Our model used the Color 1 in shade number 3. Apply the desired color in 100% wet hair in a very generous amount on each section of the hair, more than the usual amount for the normal hair color. Color 1 is a revolutionary natural color without aggressive chemical agents with more than 90% of ingredients of natural origin. After application of color, wrap it with a clean plastic film, covering the entire hair properly. For 45 minutes, put under the heater. Once finished, emulsify the colored hair with water. Massage gently the scalp to peel off the color. Once finished, apply the Color 1 Post-Coloration Shampoo. Patrice Mulato Color 1 Post-Coloration Shampoo is used to fix Mulato Color 1. This shampoo is 97% natural and will remove color residue from Color 1 and optimizes and fix the color. Rinse it very well and then proceed to dry.